Can salt really enhance watermelon's sweetness? Find out. Have you ever taken a juicy bite of watermelon and thought, this could use just a pinch of salt? Sounds strange, right? But what if I told you that salt might actually make your watermelon taste sweeter? Stick with me as we unravel this tantalizing mystery. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. The sweet history of watermelon. Watermelon has been a beloved summer treat for centuries. Originating from Africa, this fruit's juicy sweetness has cooled countless families during hot days. But this iconic fruit might be hiding more than just watery flesh beneath its green rind. The science of sweetness. You might be wondering how something as simple as salt could change the profile of watermelon. This is where the science kicks in. When sprinkled on watermelon, salt acts as a flavor enhancer. It can actually elevate the perceived sweetness by balancing the sugars within the fruit, creating a symphony of taste in every bite. But why does this happen? Salt reduces bitterness, allowing sugary notes to shine prominently on the palate. Who would have thought the secret to watermelon bliss could lie in a humble shaker? A taste test challenge. Now let's imagine holding a summertime barbecue. You set out a glorious spread of ripe watermelon slices alongside a bowl of flaky sea salt. Friends gather, laughter fills the air, and the real fun begins. You challenge everyone to try both salted and unsalted slices. The reactions will leave you amazed. Those who try the salted watermelon usually can't believe their taste buds. It's as if they've just unlocked a secret flavor dimension. Curiosity builds, and suddenly everyone wants to join in. The unexpected twist. But hold on a second. While salt can enhance sweetness, not all salts are created equal. Imagine reaching for that fancy pink Himalayan salt, or those gourmet sea salts. Each type brings its own unique flavor profile and can shift the experience entirely. Some salts are coarser and can provide a delightful crunch, while others dissolve into watermelon's juicy goodness, amplifying the sweetness with a subtle richness. The anticipation builds as you ask your friends to guess which salt brings out the best flavor. That's right, this is a flavor adventure waiting to unfold. Why it works, the curiosity factor. Now you might be pondering, why do we rarely hear about this at summer picnics or in social media food trends? That's the million-dollar question. In a world of sweetening agents and syrupy toppings, the notion of enhancing nature's candy with salt seems a little peculiar to most. But think about it. Watermelon skewers topped with a pinch of sea salt are not only refreshing, but also a great conversation starter. They encourage curiosity and experimentation at the dinner table. Imagine a summer soiree where each guest brings their unique salt to test out with the watermelon. The excitement alone could elevate your gathering to legendary status. The shocking conclusion. So here's the kicker. Did you know that adding salt can actually change your entire perspective on texture too? The salt crystals can create a delightful contrast against the soft juiciness of watermelon, making each bite an experience to savor. And here's the most shocking fact. Research shows that certain chefs have even crafted gourmet dishes where watermelon is paired with savory elements like cheese or prosciutto. Next time you head to the picnic, don't forget to take a little salt with you and prepare to be the star of the party. You'll be amazed at how a simple sprinkle can transform watermelon from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.